Welcome back to the channel, my lovely friends. Welcome back to another week, another cocktail, and this time it's gonna be absolutely delicious. And I think I say this every time, but it is what it is. On this channel we only make delicious cocktails. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Today I have the last cocktail from my lovely friend Jason Clark book, The Art and Craft of Coffee Cocktails. I'd love to share all the recipes with you, but I will leave this to you. And as always, the link for the book is down in the description. If you want to grab yourself a copy, or maybe you know somebody who will appreciate a wonderful read and full of information, well-presented book to teach them some wonderful recipes to make beautiful coffee cocktails at home. So if you're ready for some shakes, stirs and sips, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let's see what cocktail I picked to close the little mini series of the art and craft of coffee cocktails. Before I present to you the cocktail, I want to say a massive thank you to my lovely friends from Master of Mouth, who are again treating me very well this year and look after me by sending me this wonderful 25 drams of hand-picked rum for me to enjoy until the countdown to Christmas. So this video could be say it's sponsored, but it's not really. It's just every year Master of Mouth send me a different advent calendar full of wonderful, delicious drams for me to try and of course share with you. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see every day I'll share the dram of the day, what I'm trying. But also if you have access to Master of Mouth, depends where you live, make sure you check their advent calendars because they have a wonderful selection of different drams for you, from whiskey, gin, rum, and all these different selections from Scottish, Japanese, special editions and everything in between. So I will leave link in my Instagram because YouTube kind of doesn't like links to a booze. But also if you head to my website, Just Shake or Stir, you'll see a link on Just Shake or Stir, so you can go and check Master of Mouth new edition for this 2025 Christmas celebration. So thank you, my lovely friends. This is what we have here, 25 wonderful, delicious drams, and this year I'll be sipping on rum. I absolutely love it. So this is why I decided to close the little series which I'm presenting from the Art and Craft of Coffee Cocktails by Jason Clark, my mate. A cocktail with rum, and basically this cocktail is what inspired Jason to write this book. So the cocktail is called Crema de la Creme. It's absolutely delicious, it's very easy to make and very easy to find the ingredients. The cocktail is based on rum Zacapa 23, but I am changing today. First of all, because I don't have rum Zacapa. Second, because I have a little more kind of a slight preference to another rum which comes from Nicaragua, and this is the Flor de Cana, 12 years old. If you follow me on this channel and on Instagram, you know I've had the pleasure to work with Flor de Cana a couple of years ago, and since then I absolutely love this rum and I always hold a bottle in my home bar. It's just a wonderful rum. So today we are going to use Flor de Cana 12 as a base. Then you have to pick your favorite dark cacao liqueur. For me is the Tempus Figure. I don't know, for me it's the best cacao liqueur that exists out there. The intense and the flavor of the liqueur, it's absolutely out of this world, and you don't need so much to use to achieve the wonderful balance and flavors in your cocktails. However, if you can't find it, use any dark cacao liqueur, nothing wrong with that, okay? Then we need some chocolate bitters, and this again I'm gonna use Steve the Bartender chocolate bitters. They are absolutely spot on, so they'll work fantastic. We need some aromatic bitters, and of course we're just gonna go with a classic Angostura for the aromatic bitters, and a cold brew. as it is, it's a book which presents the art and craft of coffee cocktails, so you guessed it, we can't miss the coffee here. Final ingredient of the cocktail today, it's the homemade chia seed and blackberry syrup. So this is coming from Jason Clarke's book as well. He'll show you or tell you how to make this syrup. So if you want to learn how to make the syrup, make sure you check Mixology Hacks, because I've just uploaded a few days ago a brand new video for the winter syrups volume 2, and one of the syrups there, it's exactly this, the chia seed and blackberry syrup. So this is all the ingredients, my lovely friends. It looks a lot, but it's not really. It's just a basic simple cocktail with a very good balance, acidity, sweetness, and of course nice kick from the rum in this case. So if you're ready, let's shake Crema de la Creme. Okay, boys and girls, the cocktail is shaken as I mentioned, and we are going to start with our rum, which is 1.5 ounces or 45 ml. In this case, Flor de Cana, 12 years old. Use rum Zacapa if you have, what is Jason recommended, but if you don't, use some good quality rum. Don't go cheap here, okay? From our liqueur, as I mentioned, it's in it only 10 ml because it's sweet enough. And this is the recipe coming as well, the recommended measurement. If you like to go a little bit more chocolatey, I'll say increase to 15 ml, half an ounce, but I'll be following Jason's recipe and I'll stick to 10 ml of the wonderful dark cacao liqueur. Then we have obviously going to our syrup, which is only 20 ml. Now this syrup is very thick, as you can see, because basically how the syrup is made, it doesn't use much water, and also use the whole fruit blended inside. But again, as I say before, check Mixology Hacks. It's one of the 3 syrups which I presented in the previous video, which just uploaded a few days ago. I know I shouldn't put any purer on this syrup because I know it's very thick, but it is what I have to keep safe this wonderful little mixture of chia seed and blackberries. Okay, then we need 35 ml of cold brew, and finally, of course, we are going to finish with our bitters, just a dash of Angostura bitter, and of course dash of chocolate bitters, and this is it. Your cocktail, Crema de la Creme, it's ready to be shaken. So fill up your small shaker with ice. So leave your shaker on the side and grab your large cube of ice. Now, if you have large cube of ice, it will be perfect. If not, make sure you filled up your glass with ice. But Jason recommends to be a large cube of ice to hold the garnish, which we are going to use after, okay? So let's give it a quick good shake and we'll serve. My shaker is absolutely totally frozen. As I mentioned before, I'm still struggling to level the temperature in this garage, and this is giving me such a big problems when it comes to shaking, because it kind of stopped the dilution of the cocktail really quick, and maybe it's a good thing, but I'm not necessarily enjoying it, to be honest. So give it a double strain. There you go. Looks absolutely beautiful. For a garnish, 2 blackberries. In my case, I'm using frozen one. You can use fresh if you want. And some dark chocolate flakes, okay? Just on the top. Now, if you buy the book from Jason, you'll see he's using a spice mixture, which I didn't make because I don't want to get to waste. It's not going to be used that often. And it's also edible gold. Again, it's going to get wasted. So I'm happy with just what I have at the moment. But obviously, if you buy the book and you compare my video with the recipe in the book. Just so you know, I skip these 2 ingredients just so I can present with something which you can have every day or now and then, and you don't get to waste ingredients, okay? But this, my lovely friends, it's Crema de la Creme. Cheers, thank you so much for sticking around. Go check the book, link in the description. Check the syrup videos as well. Let's give it a test. Cheers. Oh, it is fantastic. You have sweetness, you have berry, you have chocolate, you have the warmness from the rum. What more do you need? Yeah, what more do you need from life? Enjoy your week. I'll see you next week with another cocktail, this time something totally different. It won't be from a book. But until then, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.